Hi friends, my name is Mehnaz Faisal. Today I am going to make chicken madhooth. Chicken madhooth is a traditional cuisine of Emirati and it is very tasty and very simple to make. Onion, dried lemon, capsicum, ginger, garlic, chilies, tomato, salt, turmeric powder, tomato paste, pepper powder, garam masala, spices, pepper, chicken, rice and oil. Take the pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add sliced onion and saute it for 3 minutes. Now let's add chopped capsicum. Now let's add some of ginger, add some garlic. Now let's add tomatoes. Dried lemon is one of the important ingredients of the dish. Now let's add the spices. Now let's add the pepper. Now let's add the pepper powder. Add turmeric powder. So turmeric powder is for the color. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's put the whole tomato paste. Now let's mix it well. Now let's move on to the next step. First, add the chicken. I think the chicken smells very good. Now let's put 3 cups of water. Well, then we close the pressure cooker. Now let's wait for 1 whistle. The pressure is completely gone. Now it is safe to open the lid. Now let's open the lid. It smells very good. Then let's put rice inside the pressure cooker. So let's stir it gently. Now let's put the lid on. Let the rice cook for 1 whistle. The chicken madhooth smells very good. The chicken, everything looks very nice. All my friends, also you can try this recipe. chicken madhooth is ready. Now let's try a little bit of the chicken madhooth. The chicken madhooth tastes very good. And thanks to my father and mother who helped me cook the chicken madhooth. My friends, you can try this recipe too. But make sure your parents are with you to help. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.